Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is brought to you by iShow Hair. So thank you so much iShow Hair for sponsoring this video. So I have styled this hair before on my YouTube channel. This is the same 20-inch closure body wave wig that I did style before. This wig is bomb because it's a closure and it doesn't require anything in terms of laying the wig, and I'm absolutely loving closure wigs just for that simple reason that they're just so easy and effortless to style. You don't need any spray or glue or adhesive or anything like that. Closure wigs just kind of plop on your head and they're ready to go. And even more so if you go ahead and add a bang to a closure unit. So any bang wig, all my wig lovers out there know, any wig with a bang makes it even that much more of a throw on and go style because you don't have to do any blending of your forehead. You don't have to do anything with the parting space. You literally just plop it on your head and boom, like you're out the door. So I definitely wanted to try adding a bang to this unit. It's super easy to add a bang to any unit, really, a frontal or a closure, but a closure in particular is easy because the closure really gives you a guide, whether your closure is a 4x4 or a 5x5. You know you want to be somewhere within where the closure is, and that's how you'll know your bang is centered and is a good distance across the front of your face. So what I usually do is part the hair midway through the closure, and then I do a diagonal part on either side of the closure. As you can see, the parting doesn't have to be perfect. I'm wearing these crazy long nails that I am absolutely obsessed with. So yeah, I didn't make the parts perfect. I kind of just used my nails to make the part. I got a really, really sharp pair of scissors. That is the key to cutting a perfect bang, is getting a really sharp pair of scissors. So don't try this with a dull, blunt pair of scissors. Make sure your scissors are sharp, and the smaller the scissors, the easier they are to control. So I would definitely say get you a small pair of scissors. These ones I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description box down below to where you can grab these scissors. They're actually sewing scissors. I use them for sewing, but I also use them for my wigs because they're so small and so incredibly sharp. Be careful, don't cut yourself with them because I do that all the time. You're also going to want to have hairspray handy and mousse to go ahead and lay that bang and that parting space down really, really well. You're also going to want to have a really, really hot flat iron to mold the bangs and bump the bangs the way you want them. So I have my Vibe flat iron. This is also from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below where you can grab it. I love it because it has a digital setting for the temperature, and I had this one on 405. So as you can see, I always go ahead and cut my bang actually longer than I need. For some reason, when you cut bangs, if you cut them exactly to where you need them, they're never long enough. So I always use my lower eyelash as a guide. I always cut my bangs to my lower lash line. And then once I cut them, if I do need to make, if the bangs are too long, I just literally slide the wig back, and you'll see me do that towards the end of the video during the slow-mos. I just slide the wig back as opposed to cutting the wig bangs more. So that's always a really good tip. If your bangs on your wig are too long, just slide your wig back a little bit as opposed to cutting the bangs shorter.
And I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that cool shit, yeah. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see.
So I just went ahead and flat ironed all the hair on either side. I just did a really quick flat iron. This hair is so bomb. It's body wave hair, but it flat irons and straightens out so beautifully. I would definitely recommend this wig if you're looking for something that's easier and isn't a full-blown frontal that you have to kind of style and lay lace and do the most with. But you kind of don't necessarily want like a headband wig. Like you still want styling options. This could be a great option for you. I would definitely say check it out. As long as your hair is braided down or even just in a flat, ponytail in the back, you can literally just plop this wig on and be ready for your Zoom meeting, your conference call. You just got a last minute thing to do online, virtually. You'll just be ready, and it looks great. It's a very simple yet elegant style that you can dress up or dress down. So I'll leave a link down below to iShow Hair so you can definitely check them out on their website. Make sure you're following them on Instagram and you're following me on Instagram at Jess Monique Thomas. I definitely release content over on Instagram. Definitely keep up with me daily in stories over there, as well as content on my Snapchat. All right, you guys, if you have any questions that I haven't answered, definitely leave them in the comments down below, and I will be sure to get back to each and every one of you guys. If you're watching this before the holiday, Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year to you. Let's all pray 2021 is better than 2020. All right, you guys, make sure you share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.
Now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going.